Hi, welcome to Jack TV, one of the best TV station online. I'm with Pastor Cadet. Pastor Cadet came here to Jack TV to let the people out there know, exactly what he's doing out there, helping people, doing everything that he can, and to preaching the word of God and the gospel, and to let people know, say Jesus is coming soon. So, Pastor Cadet, let me know exactly what's your mission out there, what you have.
Well, my mission is to go out to the lost souls, people who don't know who Jesus Christ, and to feed the hungry. My ministry is to help people that need shelter and food and clothes and hygiene product, and people who are in bondage and captivity, people who are sick, and to pray for them and to help them get well.
That's good. So if people want to know exactly, say if they want to give you fund you out there, say where can they go, say to fund your ministry, helping you out if they want to help
Well, there's many where they could help me. They could check my website, OmegaKingdomCharity.net, or they could check me on OmegaKingdomCharity.org, or they could check me on Frenzy Cadet at MySpace.
you. And as you guys listen to it, so you guys hear from Pastor Cadet. So if you have any support that you could give, so go check it out and.
I have a phone number also. If they need my number, they could contact me 754-234-2141. 754-234-2141.
All
You
right.
can also check me.
All right. Thank you for coming, Pastor Cadet. So.
God bless you, man. It's my pleasure. I'm always glad to be a part of the show.
All right. Thank you. All right. So stay tuned on Jack TV, one of the best TV station online.